here to check on your well-being.
I'm alright.
I can clearly see that is the reason why you're slumped over and snotting out of your nose.
I'm alright.
Somebody called for us to do a welfare check on you.
Yeah, okay.
You got an ID on you? I've never seen you before.
I'm just an average man.
Okay. Do you have an ID? Yes or no?
No.
No? You don't have one? Okay, what's your first name?
Just say you're all Joshua that we're going to hell and heaven and hell.
What is your first name, sir?
My name is Jeffrey and his door. Should I control heaven and hell?
You go by Jeff or Jeffrey? What's your middle name again? I didn't get that. You said it really quick.
I just want you to say hell in real life.
You want me to say what?
That's all I want you to say.
I don't understand what you're saying.
You're going to say it one day or another in life.
What is your middle name, Jeffrey?
What is your name?
It's right there. Officer Tellier. What is your middle name, Jeffrey?
My first name?
Your middle name. I know your first name is Jeffrey. What is your middle name?
I want you to say that you're going to hell, Mr. Teller, in life. Allah and Joshua. And we'll shake on it.
I'm not touching your hands.
You're going. Touch my brother. You're going to hell in life.
Okay. What is your middle name, Jeffrey? Get your hands out of your pockets.
Fuck your mother in life.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
You're going to hell. I don't know why you're getting mad.
You got the arm? Nope. Give him your arm, man.
I got it. Tell me your mother in life.
Hey, let go of me. Don't grab.
Come on, do whatever you want. Ask and shit. You're going there in life. What, for drinking in public in life? You didn't want to do it last time. You got to do it this time in life. Who owns the world in life? Say it, Jeffrey. Your source owns the world, earth in life. Allah and Joshua, you're a god in life. You say you're a god in life.
Got stuck in here or something. Hold your hands. I got him.
You can't handle being. Listen. Hey, by the way, we're not going to that hospital in life again. You're going to hell in life. Say it, bitch. You're going to hell as a bastard in life. Do whatever you gotta do. You're a faggot in life, a homosexual in real life. You know? And when I get out this time in life, I'm gonna rape and murder every one of your children in life. Your wife in the world. Stop. She's getting raped and murdered in life. Tell her. Rape and murder herself in life. Kill her, Jeff.
I can't get it open. There we go.
She'll do it to herself. And that's what she'll
Someone
have.
sent it to you.
Do you care?
One in custody.
Alcohol, drinking in public, whatever.
We'll tighten up.
Disorderly conduct, you know?
That's already
I own earth in life.
Stop, man. Just
You're
relax.
going to hell in life.
Okay, that's
it.
great.
You acknowledge me as the man. You're going to hell in real life
William?
for following me up here. Why didn't you get me drinking in public before? When I did it before.
Well, Jeffrey, all I wanted was your name. That's all I wanted. And then you told me to go to hell and say the word hell.
I just want you to kill yourself.
Then you wanted to shake my hand, which I didn't want to do. Then you tried to grab me.
You're going to hell in life for lying about it in life. If you lie one time, you're going to hell in life. For Mark Willison in life. For Brian. You're already going there.
You just get out?
Your mother in life.
Another glove.
You're going to hell. Say it right now. Say you're going to heaven, you're going to hell in life. You have to say it in life. My right foot, my right hand in life.
Alright, listen.
I'm an angel in life. It was wrong. We're going.
Stop.
No big. What's wrong?
446, can we get one more out here, please?
Sometimes.
Jeffrey, you just got out yesterday. Why would you want to go back?
Mickey York, yeah.
Why would you want to go back?
I want to make sure that you die by niggers and
I really don't know what that means.
whatever. Barack Obama is going to hell and right. Say it. Say it. Disorderly conduct, drinking in public, right? Outlaw and Joshua and light. Murder, death, kill and light. Oh!
Alright, Jeff, have a seat.
Nigger lover! Put on something else! Put on something else! Do it! Play my song! What happens to your face? What's gonna happen to your life?
Oh. Yeah, he was passed out, sitting Indian style with a bottle of vodka in his hand. It was like half full. So I pulled that, and he woke up, and he kind of got mad, but then saw...
When I pulled up, he was like, I couldn't tell if he was trying to grab you or what.
He wanted to shake my hand, and I told him that's not going to happen. And then he tried to grab me, and then I thought he was trying to get something out of his bag, and I was like, you know what? Between that and asking for his name 5 times...
We got him back.
Yeah. Just for garbage.
Yeah. Oh.
I just want him to get up and walk away.
Good.
At the beach.
Probably.
At some point.
Alright, thank you.
Like, oh, I don't know to be God again in life. You starting a war in another country in life. I want my Nike shorts in life. What's your name in life? Mr. Taylor. I'm Jeffrey Resource of Venice.
You're Jeffrey, I know that much.
Come on. Israel and Israel.
You're not in Israel, you're in Key West.
Shut your mouth. You're God, I'm God. So, you know, if I scrap my water and my food in line, keep your brain in line.
I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what you said. I'm not really understanding much of what you're saying.
Walk! Before I kick your my hydrogen.
Go ahead, have a seat. Have a seat. Hey.
Who owns the world? Say it, bitch.
The people do.
I say it. If I bite you in your foot, on your right foot, and
Are you threatening me?
No, I'm just saying.
Are you threatening me?
You heard what I said before there, right?
No.
Are you a Jake?
I don't know what that means.
What makes you different? Anyone besides me is.
You're just saying words now. String them together in a sentence.
I want my hydrogen water cup now. I'm killing every one of you in life. Eat your right. How do you think that makes me feel?
How does what make you feel?
Think.
I just wanted to know your name.
You know the Alpha
And then
and Omega.
let you on your way.
Hold on, let me get this.
I wanted to relieve you of your booze, because you're snotting all over yourself to the point somebody called.
It's called disorderly. I own all this shit.
Okay. All I wanted,
Yes or no?
all I
If you
wanted was
can
your
or
name.
accept it.
Except what?
I just want you to. You're a J-cat.
I don't know what that is. You've called me every name in the book. You got out yesterday.
Man, we're going in. Hey, man. Hey, do you have a hydrogen cup of water, of hydrogen? Just get some water. I had to come back in. I'm 4 is again.
You want some water?
Thirsty.
I can take you to the water fountain.
No, I
was gonna give him some water.
Thirsty from that. And I need my Ativan. I need my.
Come on, let's go to get some water.
There's no have water in there.
She don't have water. It's in here, the water fountain.